And welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas on the previous week we have seen there is a spike we have seen from a level of around $3. It made a continuous high towards 4.5. Okay, because the price was trading around 2.7. As soon as the price started sustaining above 2.8, we have seen there is a gap up and the price started going above a level of $3 and suddenly made a high of around 4.5. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen now, what is happening, that the candle, if you see this particular week's candle, today the price is trading in between this the previous day's candle. Okay, so if the price started sustaining this level, there is a higher chances that we can see there can be a further upside today also, because the price is already above a level of 4.22. This 4.22 level is a level where we have seen is a strong resistance and the price is already above this level, so chances are very high this pattern will support an upside and there is a higher chances it can move towards a level of 4.5. This 4.5 level is already weak, so there is a higher chance it can cross this particular level and a probability of touching 4.9 can be seen. Because see, we have seen 4.5 level is already tested and chance of touching 4.9 is on a very high level, and once started going upside we can see it can move towards $5 and a probability of crossing a level of 5.3 will be there and a further upside also can be seen. Okay, the higher chances can cross this particular level. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is a weekly chart. You have to understand that the SL target and quantity will be as per the week chart. Okay, see, this is a week candle what we have seen, the bigger candle from a level of $2.7 at the previous one, but that particular candle is from 3 to 4.5 level, around $1.5 movement we have seen in the previous week. But this particular week what we have seen, it was around 3.5 to a level of 4.3. Now we are making in the market, okay, the video, so there is a probability that the price is already above 4.22, so chances are very high we can see there can be a further upside. It can touch a level of 4.3 and can touch a level of 4.5, and if that sustain, a further upside also can be seen towards a level of $4.58, and from there it can touch a level of 4.9. so best what you can do, because the price is already above 4.22, trail your SL by around $0.2. Okay, because it is very important you to understand that the price can go further upside. Okay, or if you are taking a trade, keep this as an SL, because it is a very important level of 4.2. This pattern will support an upside, as well as if you see this particular pattern is also supporting from a level of 4.12. if you see this particular pattern, but if you see bigger pattern, a level of 4.22 is sustaining, so probability can be high it can go further upside. Okay, so again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, probability of going towards 4.31 is there. Okay, this is a resistance 1, because the price is already trading above $4.22. Okay, so if the price keep moving off this level, probability of touching 4.31 can be seen, and if the price this level is already weak, and once the price going above this level, it can touch a level of 4.37. Okay, and if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 4.5 can be there, because this level is already tested. So suppose if it started going upside, it can touch this level, which is a weak level, and from there it can touch a level of 4.5, because this level is also weak, so chances are very high it can cross a level of 4.5, and this level is already weak, so chances are high it can move towards a level of 4.84, and from there it can touch a level of $4.91. Okay, and this bigger pattern will support an upside if the price sustaining over 4.8 and then to a level of 4.91. chances will be very high it will cross a level of $5, and from there it will move towards $5.3. Okay, remember that as soon as the price started going above $4.35, there is a higher chances it can cross a level of 4.5, then it can move towards 4.8, and this it will touch a level of 4.9, and once the price sustaining over 4.9, keep trailing your SL by $0.25, because chances of touching $5 is very high, and from there it can move towards 5.3. Okay, and there is a higher chances it can cross this particular level, because 5.3 there is a gap is still pending at this level, so chances of crossing that level is very high. Okay, but suppose if the price started coming down, what we can see? Because see, market is uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will move as per you, no, it will not, because at this level we have seen there is seller being trapped at this particular level. Okay, and the price there continuous upside. Now if the price started coming down, what you can see, suppose if it started coming down a level of 4.11, we have seen from there a bounce back can be seen. But if the price didn't bounce back, the price can come towards 3.81, and if the price started going below that particular level, chance of going towards a level of around after 3.81, we can see it can move towards $3.37. Okay, after this particular level, chance of touching 3.37 is very high. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards 3.2 can be seen. So after 3.81, chance of touching this week's high low of around 3.55, then to a level of 3.7, and from there a level of 3.17. If the price started going below that particular level, then this pattern will support a downside and chances will be very high it can move towards 2.8 to a level of 2.7, and these 2.8 and 2.7 is already weak, so we can see the price will go further down. And yes, after that the price can move below a level of 2.6, because these all levels are weak, so chances of going towards a level of 2.4 also can be seen, and then further low. Trail your SL as soon as the price started going below 3.8 by around 0.15 or 0.2. Okay, so we can see a further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.